Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T20 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check this number. We can use a secret code and the settings. So let's start with the secret code. We have to open the dialer in order to enter it, and the code is *##06#. And as you can see right here, we've got the serial number of this device. So let me show you how to check it using the settings. It will be useful. For some reason the secret code won't work. So you have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. Now we have to scroll down and find it, and let me find. We have to tap on the model here, and as you can see on the second position we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to check the serial number using two different ways in your DOOGEE T20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.